Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP, and you'll be learning some of the basic Filipino words used when at a restaurant. It is important to know at least some expressions you can use when you order some food or drink because it will certainly make it easier for you and the local. Let's start with pa-order. This translates to I'm ready to order, which is something you tell waiting staff at almost any restaurant. Pa-order. 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 Pa-order po. Pa-order po, kuya. Pa-order po, ate. Pakibilisan. It is an expression used when making a request to do something faster, but in a polite manner like please hurry. Pa-ki-bi-li-san. Pakibilisan. 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 Pakibilisan po. Salamat. Pakibilisan po, kuya. Pakibilisan po, ate. Salamat. Sometimes it doesn't sound polite enough without a thank you, so don't forget to say salamat at the end of requests. Tama can be used to mean you're right. You can say this after the waitstaff repeats your order and got everything right. Tama. 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 Tama po. Tama po, kuya. Tama po, ate. Bill po. Menu po. You can say these when asking for the bill or the menu. As you may have noticed, you can use English with Filipino words as well. Bill po. Menu po. Bill po, ate. Menu po, kuya. Masarap. This translates to delicious in English. You can say this if you enjoyed the food that was served to you. Masarap. 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 Masarap po. These are just the most basic Filipino words used when in a restaurant. You will learn more expressions as you advance to future lessons. Now, let's go over all the words we learned today. Pa-order. Pakibilisan. Tama. Bill po. Menu po. Masarap. I hope you find these common Filipino words helpful the next time you eat at a restaurant in the Philippines. Thank you for watching.